Did you know Quebec homes are switching from classic electric baseboards to sleek heat pumps? First, heat pumps work both ways, heating in winter, cooling in summer, perfect for our wild temperature swings. Second, they use way less electricity, which matters since Quebec's winters are long and electric bills can add up. Third, modern heat pumps handle deep cold better than you'd think, making them a practical upgrade over old baseboards. Follow for Quebec housing facts. Would you swap your baseboards for a heat pump?